Hi, this is Bee Leng from the Burning Kitchen. Now I'm going to teach you how to fry Sichuan string bean with chai por. This string bean is different from French bean. String bean is very thin, like string. You see that it's very waxy. String bean usually will not be able to absorb much of the flavor from the gravy because of its waxy nature. So you have to either fry it with a little bit of oil until it's very limp, or you can deep fry it so you make it limp, then it will be able to absorb. Normally I would like to plug both ends. It's neater, I think. This is quite young. Otherwise, you see there will be a fiber that come out from here. I'm going to mince the meat, but before I mince it, I got to cut it into smaller pieces. So now I marinate the meat by putting in some salt, add some oil, then just mix it. Okay, so this small little dried shrimp, I'm going to wash it, and then I just put some hot water to to soak it for a little while. Okay, next I'm going to soak this dried chili. Just remove the seed. Okay, so after I de-seed the chili, the dried chili, I washed it and I just pat dry with a paper towel like this. It's cut into pieces like this. Look at this chai por, right? This chai por is brown color. Sometimes you buy the chai por is white. You know why it's white? Because they bleach it, that's why it's white. So if you want to buy, you must buy this type of color, okay, chai por. And chai por got two types, This is the sweet one. Another one is coated with salt. This particular chai por actually I bought from Thailand. Okay, so this is the whole sweet radish. It's actually radish, okay, and it's very, very nice. So Thailand has got one of the best chai por, see, and you can buy from top supermarket. So this chai por, I got to cut it very small. Next, I'm going to mince the ginger, just a little, not too much, just like this. Okay, then as usual, okay, so I only need to mince a tiny bit of ginger like this. So I just use a cleaver, and then you see how I do. Make it flat. You just do bit by bit, okay? Starting from here, you just slap it down. Okay, you see? Okay, just chop it slightly because there are some fiber here. Okay, that's it. Add some oil into the wok. Now you fry it in small batches. This is what the restaurant would do. It's the fastest way to make it soft until it becomes limp. And you can see a little bit of those brown burn mark. Then it'll be okay. Okay, so you look at it, it's a bit oily. What I do is that I use hot water to blanch it and just remove some of the grease. Add some oil into the wok. Some oil. The dried shrimp. So when it starts jumping up, you have to lower the fire, okay? So that's how you control. And add a little bit of oil. The garlic, ginger, Szechuan Peppercorn, dried chilli. Add in the chai por now. Add a little bit of oil. Then fry and then mix the dried shrimp together and stir it. The meat. Light soy sauce. Something Chinese wine. Sugar. Add in some dark sauce. Now you add the string bean in, and then fry and mix well. Okay, this is the finished product. Why it's called 四季豆? Because it's 4 seasons. 4 seasons means throughout the year you will be able to buy this bean, okay, this string bean. So it's so easy to cook. So please try this. If you like my cooking recipe today, you want to see more of my face, please click to the link below for the YouTube, Facebook and my Instagram. Okay, so see you. Bye.